Welcome back. Okay, this pattern is going to be a weave to an outside pass, okay, to a lady's underarm spin. Weave to outside pass to a lady's underarm spin. So let's go ahead and get started. So weave position and get an outside pass. I'm meaning that I'm going to actually put myself behind the lady. So ladies, don't help out with this, okay? He just does the weave, gets in position, he lines himself behind you. You're ahead of him going line of dance. So here we go. And quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow. All right? So we're just bringing it in and taking the hand in a circular action, not leading her out, okay? Slowly, we're actually taking it across and go around the halo. And this is not forceful, it's like she spins herself. Remember, if you want more information, go to the more private lesson style videos for that, okay? So here we are, weave position, and quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow. And right in close position, or another pattern if you'd like, or repeat, all right? So let's take it from this angle. Ready? And quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, and slow. That's cool, wasn't it? All right, so here we go. Take it from this angle. And quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, and slow. Very cool. All right, once more. Go break this down, okay? Have fun with it. Look at it over and over. Enjoy. Come on back for the next pattern. We got another one